Hello and welcome to the PCP channel. In this episode I want to show you a barrel band that's 3D printed for your AEA HP Max. I don't know if in England or America if there are the clips already available that you can attach to the bottle to mount a bipod. Here in Germany they are not available yet, but they should come in a few months. But for all who don't want to spend a lot of money or don't want to wait, I have something that is this barrel band here. You see there is a Picatinny mount on there, and yeah, there you can attach a bipod, a flashlight or a laser as you desire. Yeah, it works pretty easy. You just open it a little bit and slide it over the barrel, and when you attach something it presses it firmly close and won't rotate or anything. I just show you this at the gun in a moment. As you can see, it goes pretty easy. You just take one hand, as there's nothing attached, you can just put it over there like so. And if you attach something right now, it will clamp it together and won't rotate anymore. If your printer prints it a little bit too big or too small, you can just scale it in the slicer, or if it's a little bit too loose, you can just put some rubber in there and glue it in, and then it won't rotate at all. Yes, you can see you can put multiple devices in a row. Then you have, for example, a bipod, and in front you can now attach a laser or a flashlight. Only in the UK, not in Germany or in America, of course. Here in Germany it's illegal. Yes, you can also rotate the position and put it right there. I linked you the item down on in the video description, and you can download it on Thingiverse for free. So I hope you like this little device, and I additionally want to show you a single shot loader that's not designed by me, but I linked the creator down there in the video description. So you can also download this Singleshottray for free. It's pretty easy and simple. You just you cock the rifle, and then when the bolt is retracted, you just insert the single shot loader like your magazine, and it can stay there as long as you want. And yeah, handling it is pretty easy. You just cock the weapon, and when it's cocked you can put your slug or Diablo in there, and then you close it and can fire. This is very useful, for example, if you have really heavy slugs that are longer than 12 millimeters, because the magazine can't hold any ammunition that's longer than 12 millimeters. And with this single shot loader you have the ability to load longer ammunition. So it's a very useful little item. Yeah, that's it for today. See you soon and bye bye.